200 and not watching you. You call they grow feather. Your ego come air. You will be destroyer. You will be a no. You will go say everything about you is the best. I wish you come out and saw this word now. I'll say, wow, this girl is trying to defend herself. She's right. She's right. And nobody can stop conversation. Nobody. Just yesterday you say, they defended you. Since they spoil your name, you they hear anything, everything they talk. Now yesterday, they can't defend you. Now yesterday, they defend you yesterday. You can't say you want to come out today. Who advice you not go better for both of you now? People who they there, you can't say no. Aisha, if those ones say me they call release, say me they talk. If anything really there, for example, can you deny it? Can you? What you know what you do for public? Before God go use their mind, make they come speak disgrace una, make una they control una mouth. Because if they hear your name for comments, you shut up your mouth because they drag anybody for comment. Comment can say anything. But for my husband call it a measure of my Bliss name. Can't you see the way they measure of my Bliss name? Now let you want get mad to talk. Now you want get paper body. Who you want to jump for second see get paper body like you, eh? May you start to kamati. Not barely you want the mad though. May you start to kamati. And not get gay for you. You get for and not get too. You use the money talk and say you not many and not get first follow you the bare hair. You not many who do for you the bare hair before. When one hair go stand for your hand for 1 month or 2 months, it not be not get fans. And you have been saying it, you are ungrateful too. This life, I don't know how many you were equal me to you do for me, I do for you. Nothing said they waka. Do for me, I do for you. You were supporting Enogie. True Enogie, people now know you and be buying her for you. When you go via Zena, I don't understand. If this girl come out ever since, I don't get problem with him. If this idiot, when my man not trade well, he don't say when want me saga me. He don't say when want me saga us. He don't say when want me they do all these things. Where my moderator? Things are problem. Where my moderator? Why they block all these idiots? All these idiots, no yours even mute. Why they block that generation? Why they block them? Why they block them? Let's remove sentiment. You don't like my manora fine. You don't like Enogie fine. You don't like Kenyaho fine. At this point, you guys should be truthful. If this girl come back ever since, they'll be dragging your name on comment section. I never use it direct talk to you once. I don't even know if Enogie don't ever use it direct. But if he talk to you once, you notice her. You not gonna talk her ever since so edito. Come see how wicked you are, how devil you are. You want to put words on people's mouth when they say Enogie a bad person, yo, and you are the devil. And you are the witch. You are the snitch. You are the demon. You want to put words for people that say, hey, Enogie they fight everybody, yo. This Enogie a bad person, yo. You not come out ever since. You snitch. You don't come out ever since. Say what is in your mind. Oh, me you don't get correct. Even call me, please. Mama Nora, they control comment section. The way they are doing your comment section, need to your husband, they mention my name. Or even DM me. If I don't go to school, I can read and write. If you write me, I go feel reply you. I go feel reply you. When my Bliss never come out, when my Bliss never, now that is my anger. When my Bliss never come out, why can't you come out? Hey, this is not Chris Lee. When my Bliss never come out, why you not come out? God said the thing they bother you. You have family. You have family. If you have family, you love your family. You better be careful and hide those things you call your family. Because they give birth to a wayward child who will not control itself. Who will not respect itself, respect another people. Exactly, people. Thank you. Now they get my point. Now you guys are now understanding my point. My anger. When my Bliss never come out. When the matter never happen. You they see your name for comment section and nobody they stop there. Why can't you comment and put a stop and message? If you don't want to DM me, a message to me and my husband, please. The way your comment people have been dragging me, sir, with all due respect, I don't like it. Thank you, comment section. I know they understand me. The way your comment people take they write my name, I beg. I don't like her. I beg. I don't like her. But before you talk anything, comment people go send on me. Comment people go send on me. Una go send on they see her. Una go send on they see her. I beg I know they like her. People they call me say what me and you do ads. I don't like her. They drag me for your comment section. We understand you. Thank you, Mommy Queen. Thank you. They drag me. You make this kind of video all this while. I say, wow, this girl, when you try to clear the hair to no say no be she. Yesterday, yeah, you come out for me. This girl want vomit one nonsense. They say yesterday, you say since they drag her. Now only yesterday, and not get caught defender. Since they drag her, now only yesterday, and not get caught defender. Now only yesterday, not get caught defend you. And you can come out today. You guys know what this guy is trying to do? She just want to spoil the Enogie say he want saga or Bliss saga in her home. Why coming out today? No, now who advise you? No advise you well. Who advise you? He is too small to insult. I will insult her family because they're not trainer or more than. You guys should not tell me that. Let her come and insult my family too. Let her come out to come and insult my family too. They're not trainer or more than no. She claims she know it all and she know nothing. She claims she too smart and she not smart anything. She claims she too wise and she not wise anything. Green Sineco that the green grass. Una with the big devil. Try to be nice on public. Hello, mommy. Yeah. I did live video, you know. Okay, talk to me. I dare. They don't hear your voice. Now I mean the saga so rest, mama. I'll call you later. So you want you try to plead to come put your own journal. When now? Yeah, or if I say they send you come. If I say una don't plan now for WhatsApp group, una don't group una life, una don't group una generation, una don't group una head. Say come out. You go say I go come out yours now. I go come out yours now. Yeah, oh, bring it on. See, bring it on. Una reggae e bok bedai. Una no fit spoil those lovers. Now una want spoil, una go fit spoil. Now una go fit deceive. Now una go want deceive. I like them before. I never liked them. You never like us. You are their supporter. Now I back off you. We are never our supporter. I was there before. Now we're not there. You were never there before. You just want to create that awareness that Enogie want to fight everybody. Enogie you want to spread. You want to spread that man name. Enogie want to saga. Enogie want to saga everybody when you don't help him. And you also you have benefit for Enogie. Look your view now and look your view before. I did the same. If I pass before you become the PA with the non-sign contract for. The PA with the non-sign before you become the PA with the non-sign contract for. And people they watch you when you are doing your live screen. 10, 6, 7. Through Enogie, you know how your market stay blow. You know how your market not they stay ground again. Why are you so ungrateful? Try to say the Enogie is the ungrateful person. Why are you so ungrateful? Why do you making one done? You can't come back on the play nice. Oh, go in your home. Are you mad or something for you to use that word that I should apologize to you? May your mouth shine to your kpekus. May your kpekus shine to your mouth. Nizo evedo. Who can do no way? Who no way can do it? I wish you come out all this way. Me and you will not have problem. Me and you not get problem. I ask myself, I say, oh, where do you have a quick get now? Iya o edit no here, Chrisley. One day shop for your belly. Iya o one day shop for your belly. Do you have conscience? Do you have conscience? Why be saying now everybody want to drag this man? Now you want to come out. Now you want to no, say you want to come out. You know what you are doing or private. Guilty conscience. You know what you are doing or private. You know how you were trying to destroy this man. You know how you convert people together to start gifting him. Why are you denying? Why are you denying? See, don't provoke those people you talk to. Don't provoke them. Edit no be dausa. No ye Chrisley. Don't provoke them. If you provoke them, the table you are trying to turn against Enogie, it will turn against you because you are a devil. You are a demon. You dare me to breathe them. Don't worry, they will come out very soon. They will come out very soon. I dare you. I did not mention your name. You say me, I can't apologize to you and tell them that Mama, not be you. Wanna see who not make am for Europe because you're Nigeria for make am. Wanna see event the way they bear hair for Nigeria. Wanna see event the way they bear hair for Nigeria. You supported Enogie supported you. You have said it with your mouth. Nigeria event though. We not fit go China go Vienna go bear hair. Eh? Person follow you all that hair. You say me hair come for Nigeria. Are you a business owner? Eh? Are you a business owner? Yeah. You don't show 5 hair once at the same time. If not be one hair. Enogie we help you. Enogie we help you. Say your business. Now you want to saga. When saga don't full ground. Why this girl don't come out ever since? Then they drag your name. You go deal with your mother. If you don't feel deal with your mother, I know your mother is a bastard. Yeah. If you don't feel deal with your mama, I go no say, who get in your mama? Mama said that to me. Who get in your mama picture? Mama said that to me. If you don't feel deal with your mama, not be you. Not be you where they see so. Say you go deal with your mama. If you not fit, I will know your mother is a bastard. If you not fit, Ogun go kill your mama. I purposely come out for you because if not ever since you take come out, I'll forleave you. If not yesterday or last week, you take come out, I'll forleave you. You want drag, you want carry your dirtiness when now. Now you not get called a saga now. I see how help the rich and not get no help you. People will surround you today. Do you know that direct or you know that true Enogie? She's two-faced, my people. People will surround you today. People will they patronize you today. You know that true yourself or you know that true Enogie. My moderator, please, I have 5. If I'm not mistaken, you guys should be active. You guys should be active from here. I purposely bring this video to go drag you. I drag your generation. Drag soever that is closer to you. Drag your mother and drag your dead father if you still have one. Don't be the figure that fed you. As you claim you help Enogie, Enogie have helped you too. You dey confess that with your mouth several times. As you claim you are support Enogie, Enogie has support you. If this obey will not know what they do. If this obey will not be snitch. You say, Mama Nora, I need an apology to you. Throughout my video yesterday, I did not mention your name. I said, now only God know if those one never put auto for her. Then you conclude that to be yourself. PA will not get head. PA not even get head. I have a I know I've asked my husband about you. I still make my husband see you by himself. I still make my husband see your character by himself. So they shine. May Jehovah ask me. May this land of Europe ask me if I ever call my husband, sit him down and say, oh, be careful. May God judge me. May God judge me. If that can't ever happen, may my grave be close to me. No, people that is judging me say na your wife, una grade to go dey close to una. Even when the PF now so women don't they drag. I don't even know how money they go. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't swear give a left now. As I swear give myself, I swear. If I've ever called my husband and advise him good or bad, no, be nice, and whoever that is saying it, say that your wife. If that kind of thing don't happen, anything money I say only be careful, may my grace be close to me. No! Be you woman, be you man. You don't like Enogie wife, now you wife the torturer. May your grace be close to you. The tears that drop in my eyes now, I use it to lay curse on you all that is spoiling my name. On my back, saying that you wife. Anything wanna belong, may it be a problem to you all. Anything wanna depend on me, that thing turn back against you people. If you all drink water, may that water change to poison to you. If you eat, may that food be a problem to you. Except I'm guilty for what you guys have accusing me to. How do you look me? If I be say, I'm not going to ever let you say, even close to where you close to before you were dropped. I'm not a jealousy woman. I'm not jealous. I have the children to stress my life for. So tell me, why will I stress myself for over a man or over what he's doing? Never. Never. It cannot happen. You know they control me now. Here I call they control. Now make I see I want more play rich. I never knew because I don't have that time. I don't have that strength to try to know who is calling, to try to know who is writing him, to try to know the reason why it does not pick up. I don't have that time. All I want to say is I not go green. Say if I ever evidence day say you use me to play love, try to bring me down, that will be a problem. I'm not afraid to be a single mother. I'm not afraid to lose my home. You won't live out for women. Make una carry. When see my man already enjoy, make una go enjoy and double. Make una go enjoy and times 2.
You know, I want to talk to you. I beg. Get the light screen. Get it. I want to tell you. I beg. I never beg you something for once.
When see I enjoy, make una go enjoy the sugar and honey. But trust me, the conversation are still going to be there till they do us part because the blood belongs to me. I have the blood around me. Not just 1, not just 2, not just 3, but 4. 4. If person pay, why not they put the pay for una shoe? Why not they put that for una shoe? Oh no, I don't know yourself. Go and see the way they cut that woman life. Go see the way they cut that innocent woman life. May alternate death not be our portion. I don't wish her to my enemy, but who wish her? You go first use your hair carrier before me. You are going to deal with your mother. Humanity don't deal with it, Joy. Do it. Where can I do this somewhere? Because you are a wish, you are a two-faced, you are a traitor, you are a snitch. For you to bring this conversation for today, today, when drag you full ground, you want to have your own put. May they not get a bad person. Now not get a bad person. Now make I go too far to provoke you more. Make me go apologize to your dirty mother. If I apologize to you, can you accept the apology? If I apologize to you, fear go let. I know that time. Maybe wait till you don't go even ask yourself. Say, why my man know that they apologize to me? You say me, when you hear boy. When you hear boy, come on, they respect on yourself. When you see this small people, they respect yourself. Not be me saga me back, me what? You go saga me back. Whatever I make it saga me back. Now what is they find? Now it be this. She has a pretend ever since, but that character, she never feel brigand come out. Wetin she want talk, wetin she want do, she never fit do am. She never fit do am. I wish I ever see she come at my people. I swear, I for no answer this girl. Why today? Una don't gang go for WhatsApp. Now don't gang go up una self for WhatsApp group. You say go say come out now. You go say I go come my house now. No worry. I go come my house now. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Go come my house now. You call they come push your mama head. Push your mama head. You know wrong with you here. Oh yeah, arrow. They push your mama head. Push your mama head. Push your mama head. You can't really come out. Say enough is stop comment session. When you be the dirty peer when you be before, when you go have your life, they cause us. You they stop comment session. You they stop comment session. When my husband talk about a care queen, when you go in your dirty life, they say people when you dead there, you curse everybody. When they curse us for comment session, do you bother to stop there because it's a normal write-up? Do you bother to stop there? They'll be dragging you on comments, writing your name, not before my mouth, not before Enogie mouth. You not come and come put stop ever since. You can't say that today. Make people see what talk. That thing when you plan to spoil Enogie, now your head, now your business, now when they pay you pass, you go use that spoil. Now you go use that break down. As you want try to bring Enogie down, change the net to bad people for the eyes of everybody. Now when they pay you pass, you go break down. Edit it, not crisply. When they pay you pass, now you go break down. May that your business go down for your eye. Because you are ungrateful. Edit, you are ungrateful. Edit, you are ungrateful. You are ungrateful. You know people when they call us, say that they patronize you, they buy hair. You know many people that they patronize you for our sake. We for they bring your hair through Nigeria. Your matter call free cent. Because I say we don't need problem, we not talk put. Anybody will bring matter, we analyze that because like the person bring matter. Because of your dirty character, better not say we they look for you, but we let that matter slide. We let that matter slide because when we answer, try to know what happened, you will say, people will not understand, will say, it don't say we want me in Saganya. Oh, it don't say what they want me in Saganya. Oh, my man not say, only God know how many people don't put to for her. You say, na joy the thought so. I'm so disappointed in you for using that word. If person tell me this, I don't go believe. If person tell me this, see what you talk, I not go believe. You want vomit another thing, you say you need apology. Jesus Christ. You need Apollo. Now Apollo, you need be waiting Apollo. Now Apollo, when they catch that for her, now you need. I beg, you need to own life to later. Come tell me, if now Apollo, when you catch that for her, now you say you need for me, because me not get Apollo. I just something Apollo. Now, when apology, and the Apollo with the whole person for one night, now you need to let me know, I beg. I don't understand. Jesus, this girl get mad. Today, you know come out ever since. You know, I say, as not they pretend, for the eyes of people say una good, Oh my God. God go they destroy una. Una not go fit bear again, go come out, go expose una self. As una take pretend say una de mature, God go expose una. Because una matureness na slow poison. Una matureness is not genuine, it's fake. You used to claim you are, oh, she's so cool, she's so mature guinea. When inside WhatsApp, you are a devil. When inside WhatsApp, you are a devil. You brag a lot. What you not be? What you judgeability? Only you want judgeability. You claim to you know it all. You claim you are smart. Everything when you talk, man, they use that do something. The rest people all now zero. You never sit for comment section. You not feel comment. Come message. You can't say na today. Spoil not get name, you know, if you not go down. I give you 3 months. If you know, if I know they beat you for your platform, may I know why? Try to spoil Enogie name. If I know they beat you for your platform, make I know where. Make I know where. Only people who they patronize you, you go by yourself, go give people, You say, I give you anytime you like, bring money, come for me. The person go come out, I just bought this for a date. Not be only people who go feed the say read patronize. If it happen again, make I know where. Make I know where. I curse you here, oh, you are a devil. Where today one more Bliss come man, now you can say you want this set to go, you're gonna do gang for WhatsApp. Una do group una self together. Una Enogie e bokpa day. Who do her? When it's saga, everybody want to wash. After saga, make we see who gave you. Una use Enogie gave you. Mona can use that clapate gave you. Make una use that clapate gave you. Make una gang up. Gather in my name. Gather in your name. But in the name of Jesus, you always gonna go scatter. You always scatter. As now come be now, I want put you for that position. We be saying, if una dey shop una self, if una dey fight una self, una no go fit come out. Yes. Now what I want put all of una. That is where I want to put almost you all. If not dey fight una self, no go fit come out. So say no. I bet they go laugh also. They go laugh also. I bet they go laugh also. They go laugh us. Now you say you dare them make they come out. Yes, so say CB. They not go fit cry come out. Ezaga la yak be public. Yati la dia. Yati vela dia. The shame and disgrace will be upon them. I wish this idiot come out ever since. Me and she not get any problem. No finger me cast, no finger me on yet. Do your man, do my own. After all, we are not fair be friends. This is the most reason why I never associate myself with them. We never chatted, we never talk. Only chat, you don't chat me for November. When you say, Mama Nora, send the address, come make I send you air. Now be only chat when this don't chat me for November. The chat is still there. Send the address, make I send you air. Since my address don't stay your DM, my address can't get boyfriend. My address can't get belly. My address can't born. Even my address now, you don't get grandchildren for your DM. I see her. Why do you ask me address? If not be bad person, you busy go to use on me since November. My address was a virgin when I sent my address to you. My address was a virgin when I sent that address to you. My own address start developing boyfriend on your DM. You asked for it. I'm not as afraid. You are going to report me to police. Before police ever come ask, you go first of all say, first drop your paper. You are going to report me to police. Before police go, before letter go reach my hand, you go first drop your document. And police go send me later. That's what they go send you later. Now, this judgeability of Vasabi make her ask me address for November. Until now, I'm going to ask her if I see her. I'm going to ask her if I see her. For Vasabi. Of Vasabi. Can you comment on Vasabi? I bet one see first comment. Wanna write of Vasabi. I'm not a grandmother to my address on here. ODM. I'm not a grandmom. I'm not a grandmom. My address in Memwe German. What you call it my address for? I tell you, say, if not another person, what you use that to tell me now for? I for ask you. If there's people want give money now, she never let me ask the account number. Because I asked that no one made the account number spend 2 days for my hand or 3 days. And no one made the account number can't get boyfriend for my DM. She never let me ask those people. It gets some 3 people when I want bless. She never let me ask the account. Because I did ask them immediately at the drop on. November, go and check our chat. You ask me that you never ever see her reach like this that time. You asked me to send you my address. Can the word help me to ask Iyao the reason why it demands for my house address and my address now is not giving birth on a DM? My address is not giving birth on a DM. Can you guys ask her the reason why she asked for my address? Did I ask you? Me nowhere. Me nowhere. That's when people come to they do adverts on my husband platform. When these girls can't show him more key face, I'm not even going to say that she because I know her. I know her years ago. I'm not even going to say that she. And people they do adverts now. That time never be that graduate PA. And she just show her face because I know her true person. Now I say, your name resemble Edito. Not be you be Sandra friend. He said na she. Now I say, I talk her. Now you, now I say, wow, this life now small word though. You know, you they do PA follow my husband, she's all this one. Never know say na you. Now you, as we all agree finish, the next thing you just come and tell my dear, please, can you send me your address? Can you send me your address? I want to post here for you. Now I say, maybe as you don't see customer through us, you want to use and tell me thank you. Now I send this girl my address. November. How many months are we today? November stroke now. How many months are we? Mona ask this idiot. Did I ever ask her? No, I no ask her. They all plan it. Because I'm not scared. Now Europe with them, no they fear. If the Nigeria will not they secure, now go fear. November till now, my people, how many months be that? 5 months. My address can't get boyfriend. They can't tear my address, make calls for my dear. Maybe my address now might be a woman. Okay, now I'm saying a woman. They can't disversion my address for here or DM. My address can't get boyfriend. For boyfriend, my address can't graduate. For graduate, my address can't get belly. From belly, my address can't get momo. My address now you see they sleep for a DM. In case who need my Europe address, it day with here hold. It day in your whole DM. My address, you say they sleep for here or DM. What do you use and do? Till now, never ask. Because me ever come they pray, say, hey, we want brief for me. Me not gonna be waiting, I forget. Hey, we want brief for me. No, me not gonna be waiting, I forget. When I buy one hair for an event, the hair not go well. The event come tell me, say, me I never use them all. May I return the hair? You want to use another one, replace them. I don't know, I can't use the hair. I can't use the hair. I buy that hair for 150 euro. Very long. She's the hair vendor they do says, not be here. Oh, I don't want to make sure the hair vendor on it. So at the hair vendor contact me say, go use another one to replace her. The hair vendor can't really send me another hair to replace the one we save. I they buy hairs, I know they get free hair. I they buy hair. If I want patronize hair vendor, now money they pay me. All my hair I they buy there. Yes.
Good afternoon.
Yes, they'll reduce price for me. Better go 5 minutes, I bet. Your news. Yes, they'll reduce price for me. I don't get free hair for my collection. I buy all my hair. Yes, I can do. And if I don't pay cash, I go pay 2 or 3 times. I never received free hair once. If the one who give me free hair, say I patronize it, I do have that for them. I know they like the hair, what they want to give me for free. I go point another one, they'll come to me say, Mama, you go put money in your name. That is how I buy hairs. That is how I buy hairs. That hair may be 500, but they go reduce to be 400 to me. I know the girl of Osho free hair. And they buy all my hair cash. If I don't feel pay cash, I go pay 2 or 3 times. If not be this of us have been what they talk about. Time when go ask the address for 5 months, November till now, no year for you. You want to use the address, come fly, come take fuck my husband. You want to fly, come take kill me. I don't talk to you. You say me, I can't apologize to you for saying, I mean, now let God know how many women don't put leg, and I don't know. Now let God know how many women you said that I didn't think that. Now stop trouble that they start. Now stop trouble that they start.
Mommy Nora. Mommy Nora, I bet my talk fast. Might tell you what will happen. You got to just restful because as it be now, might tell you what they look like. It they look like now everybody where they around your husband.
Now
the saga now. Wait.
Who like person don't like person.
Yes. I understand you, but this also just leave her. I did that like just now. They send for me your now. They watch and your now. You just leave and you don't do. You understand me? So you don't do. You can't be like because as it be now, okay, see all the Osaka where they go on now.
Now because of far. This girl with the saga yesterday, Grace with the saga. I don't know if you see her. This girl with the saga yesterday. This I don't try guess with the saga yesterday. Now because of far, me and this girl the saga. Now we come like say, person the saga for our sake. We not talk.
You don't
now because of this girl, me and Grace the saga the saga not finish because
Mama,
that girl come for you.
Mama Nora, see, it gets some kind of things where go they happen. You go just look away for some. You understand me? So because if you come too many, no come good. You understand? So no add in and won't join now. Just leave her.
She come out.
I see her this morning, but you don't do. Just forget her. Face the rest of them. Leave in because where in and your husband say they do PAU, you know they there. You understand me? So for someone really talk the truth, you not really there. You not really supposed to involve you. You know that anything we touch.
If as a man says, so that's a man. But I would say, my wife, I want to make this guy PAO. How you see her? My husband not tell me. The next thing, today I always done my PAO. And I would see ask and say, only way you not first tell me first to know if you agree. He not tell me. That is how we live our life. He not tell me.
No, you don't do. You don't do. She don't talk to me. No, be everybody that they reply.
I not see put stop. Say, why you go put down? Why you not first discuss that with me for his house first? Never. People that really know me, they know say I don't get time. Even when they give me our money, if not some wife will be open, why the thing go cause trouble. Why you go I never. I wish I can open my heart. Never.
No, you don't.
I never carry my husband sit down once. Perry, I don't touch money. And I don't get money again. I don't touch money.
You don't do, Mommy Nora. For this one, so for this year, oh, no, I never tell you anything. Don't do, but
me. That means when you know my husband before God called a blessing now. So my friend was so disappointed because they know me then. Mama Nora, you with the enter flat like boss. Flat now water.
You don't.
And you I say, man, leave on, wanna leave on.
You don't do a beg. Just rest. You don't for this matter. So just rest. I beg. You don't do.
Perry, you know this girl they call more, please.
I didn't see the voice record this morning.
I don't want to come out today. Now you can't see one come out today. They now comment section bridge up say comment people they mention your name. Enogie no stop on that one a statement. And if you want even make that statement, why you not come out last week? Why you not come out 3 days ago? Why you not come out 2 days ago? Why my Bliss can't come out to do not don't gang up because not today you want to see comments. I mentioned one go yesterday. I said, now only God know. I said, now only my Bliss we know. Now only God know how many people call the open life for my husband. She said for me to use that word, may I can't apologize to her.
The truth is that according to what ERO talk, she not watch the live video. Now people they go they tell her. Now people comment section. Now people like
they too like they
too like wahala. They make the girl they feel like say if Enogie they talk because according to her, Enogie no mention her name, but people they only talk say na iya. You understand? You'll be like say na indirectly they talk to her.
You know what? This guy is stupid. They say now only yesterday no they can't defend me because they say no.
But I hear the thing.
Defend you yesterday. You can come out today. Jesus Christ, see how waiting. Who do you?
You don't do a beg.
You want to put up the eyes of say, Enogie, if they fight to one saga, he is there. He does start some more. When me a doctoral grade start saga, this girl had the head. Because I purposely come for that girl because of Ian. Because the way she considered they dragging her, they bullying her, it was not okay. She go see Ria said, now because of you they drag me, now I come out for that girl, say, waiting, Ian do you? Ian boy more you are. Near that girl saga start this Ian he can't hide the head, he can't run.
Because people, at least now people they go to meet here. Now people they go to meet here because even though as all this saga happen since, I never see live the way Ian Ote insults you. You understand? You be like say they go tell her say you talk say I've been a Enogie bola. Get which they talk the matter. You understand me?
Perry, I talk and me. I know they deny. Say
now that one best and so. Now that one best and so.
This and when my Bliss I say only God know who the open to.
Your mama, truth be told, you're not supposed to talk that thing like
no,
to
not talk like no, Perry, don't talk like that. I mention your own. They say only God know the who the open.
Now what's in verse be that? Now what's in verse be that for real?
I mention your own name. That is guilty.
Okay, you don't mention your own name.
You don't mention your own name now.
Okay. I say you mention her name.
But no, even go in place. I don't mention your name.
Oh, okay.
Only God know. Only God know the open total for no different platform. When they know say you don't get wife. Now what's I top Perry?
Okay, but say you mention her name because she say you mention. He say you mention her name. Now what is stop her
comment now? I don't mention her name. If I mention her name, go talk and I what she do me. If I mention her name, I mean drag her, then I mean look for her be that.
Yes. Now what they try to understand. Yes. Now we say you mention her name. Yes.
I mean look for her be that. I don't mention her name. I might not even go towards her.
Yes, because according to what she talk, he say you say maybe she didn't knock a new kid, which they talk her. So maybe say you attack her with that word.
My people are beg, when I go climb or call defend. My people are beg. Now yesterday,
because I know watch that live. Now that's the one she do just and I me all the watch, so I know just watch the rest.
My people are beg. I been me talk, I don't know. I say I don't mention in her own. Even when they write her name for comment, and okay, because the man not writing her home, yeah, gay, yeah, home, and the man not writing her home name for yeah, gay. We haven't stopped there. She say we not stop there ever since. Now yesterday we can't stop there.
You don't do. At the end of the day, you don't do. You understand me? So now misunderstanding. You don't do.
As we stopped the yesterday. If you ever the vet before, person will get sense. Not be to do gaga. Person will get sense. We not stop the ever since. We can't stop the yesterday. If you want ever react before, for stopping the yesterday, you go calm down. You go seize. You go seize for stopping the yesterday. Say no, get stop.
Good afternoon, Mama. Me, I did here yesterday. You not get the day when you take measure your name.
No ever go a place. If people say she dey find me, she want saga me, she want curse me. She want make people know say no give the saga everybody. She know that she
now waiting they look like now. You know get the saga everybody wait there around them. So you don't do for real. Now waiting you they look like now. You understand me? So because people they understand waiting they want understand. Now waiting you get so you don't do for real. You don't do leave here or leave her. Now misunderstanding.
No. Not Enogie. I don't mention her name. I mention her name. Personally,
but you don't do it. You don't mention her name. You don't do. You don't do. I know they mention Manora for your platform. You give me an arrest for this.
She said she want to bury. He sent me the whole apology for waiting.
I hear. I watch the live. I watch him.
Apology for what?
You don't do.
Because not Enogie, but Eri billion. I don't even know if person mention. Now comment they mention her name, but we not mention in our own name for our mat. Perry, even of recent now, some days ago, vendor can't drag her. Perry client can't drag her. And then because if he judge this matter, does he want saga in her own? He stopped that person, make they go settle about themselves. Because the way the guy take judge, if you not get talker, ERO is really wrong. But we never measure it. Because many people not say, now they try to saga this guy, what they should do now. We get mute, I'm not going to know.
Yes, not true.
What should they fight for us again?
No, you don't do. As you talk, Councilman, right, may just end for here. You get. I believe she not talk to you again because even people still climb her platform, they tell her say don't
deal with me. And I dare you to not deal with me.
It don't do for real. Not be everything that you're supposed to respond to. This one don't do for real. It don't do. It don't do. For real.
She's not thinking about the work, she's thinking about the money.
Who went to say? Why you come trouble? You want to spoil my husband day? Why today?
We don't do.
Today, why?
You don't know, man. Not be everybody you want to respond to. Some people go still talk, say you are like you know. Not everybody you go to respond to, mama. Not everything.
No, everybody don't carry the way.
No, because you put the respond.
Everybody be don't they carry the way with a video. As I come out now, the thing called they make people call they understand now. Say this girl, they not really make sure I know yesterday. They not really make sure I know yesterday. Now today when people call they come out and analyze on my Bliss video, then you can't see what come out, can't talk your own.
You don't do, Manora. Just talk. There are so many important things where you feel you want to talk. Leave this thing at home matter so. You know, even supposed to happen for TikTok. The way he and one if I know get a day close, you understand me so. You know,
I don't get
suppose.
problem with her. Even if it's not be
Yeah, as you talk and now, don't leave am for here.
She go deny
Only
me.
if she come for you again, you
No, I
come
talk to
you
your
fire
husband.
on. But for now, just
My
rest.
sister, Mama
I
Nora
beg.
not so bad thing. See now, in her own conscience, they beat her. Even though say
they
Mama
beat her
Nora
up.
they talk something. Even though say Mama Nora, anytime when Mama Nora take they talk, in her own must come attack Mama Nora. Now in conscience, they beat her. If you not do that thing, you know they listening to waiting. Mama Nora no mention his name. Yesterday when you talk, you not mention his name. You don't understand? Now in conscience they beat her, my sister. Yeah, oh, now your conscience they beat you because your mind now maybe you get what you do hide where you dey fear where you be say anytime when Mama Nora you take talk you want on the attacker. It not good. It not good. Now your conscience now they beat you. Now the truth I will tell you. Let Mama Nora talk in peace. You said talk in peace. Mama Nora not going to attack you. If you they talk. You understand? It's good to say the truth. All those one where be say if don't talk finish, Mama Nora can't talk you. Now come the one month they shut up Mama Nora say he don't do. If they talk, now go they tell and say he don't do. Not to sit there say no matter what, even though say Mama Nora they talk, you don't mention your name now. You mention your name for there. You don't need to come out and talk. You understand? It's good to say the truth. If you dey listen, see, I beg, if Mama Nora they talk, no feel say na you they talk to. Una to learn that thing. If person you they talk, una you conclude that una be you get secret where you keep for cupboard, where you want, maybe say you want open. You understand? Open and I you finish. That's a big get what you they hide for us. You know what I'm
talk about the hair.
You understand? They do that thing where you they do. My sister, no they talk say, Mama Nora, it's okay. If you they do, now supposed to go meeting for a platform say, anytime when Mama Nora they talk, you know me say they talk to you get right to talk your opinion. Everybody get right to talk your opinion. That's all they take they talk to person. If you will be this girl will be say come this life, so they talk. Mama Nora I don't do. Mama Nora I don't do. You too go sit there say so now Mama Nora they talk.
No, you know what's
if Mama Nora they talk, no they talk.
You know what's now? Very, you know your one because of what people they try to do. They want make people say, Enogie they saga everybody. Now that one pay they have well. No, me. Who don't like me, don't like me. Who don't like me, go.
Mommy Nora, I don't hear me so. No saga.
Now what I want to talk
any other
Nora,
person will come, you find the person, you fit saga the person, but here I will leave here. I know why they tell you so.
People watch that. If you sure one day for a last quick, come here.
Yes, I hear about no just leave am, don't leave am. When I get the way your person go don't fetch up before. If you do it something, you don't leave am.
I wish you also use it direct talk, not mention my name.
Yes, boy, don't do, don't leave am.
Say I owe an apology.
For the sake of friendship.
For
the sake of friendship, what you and don't do the foundation and everything they don't fair do before. Leave here, Mama Nora, leave am. You understand me? So for the sake of the past things you get, leave am. Leave her. You understand me? So just leave her. If you want the saga, what do you want to drag her? What do you want they drag? Nothing. You tell me, I tell you. Comment section say that one. Say don't do. Leave her. You don't do.
I say God, women, we cannot take her easy now for married woman. Let me you see, man, you get 5 baby mama, and before that 5, you know, say about 4 fair day. Before you become 4 baby mama, you know, say about 3 fair day. Before 3 day, you know, say about 2. Then I say women. Now let God, not because when they all put to talk for Enogie. Now let God go expose them one day. Hey, your job come out today.
Because this Bliss shock all of photo. I don't know how person go their husband house. They find another person. You understand me? So man, right now that one you got to talk about. You their husband house. They find person husband. They baby they cry for DM. You know the shit they come and follow you.
They do big games. You see record is so.
He say my husband will forgive me because now you say your wife. This is an abomination. If you be a dog woman, it's an abomination. You know if their husband has the fine man, my sister.
This guy called me yesterday when my husband never play. He say he want try come on your ovulation time. If he come for your
that woman is so confused. I never seen people confused like that woman.
People they think say na your husband give am belle. Nobody go know say na Enogie give am belle. I've ever called a greet and say I don't know say na my husband get the pikin.
He say Enogie can't ask and say you don't really get tickets. If Enogie really want to, why not buy the tickets for you? You know the shame. Are you not ashamed of yourself? A man that really wants to go buy tickets for you, may you come and knock you.
I go my husband DM For the starting, I'm not trying to cover for my husband. Both of them are wrong. Because you are married, that one is married.
Thank you. Mo told the
Both
truth
of
the
them
way
are
it be.
wrong. I'm not trying to cover my husband. For the beginning, now this girl draw my husband. I go for my husband. The guy will make video, send her private on my husband put up for his story. My husband go say no. For the starting, now he called my husband, me do yesterday. Perry, I play boss game yesterday. People will give me. I go DM, go thank them. Lady J, I go Jali, go thank them. After I don't give my husband go in DM, go thank him. The way he can't take gift now. Now there the toasty for start. Now there the toasty. Now
married woman, they toast married man. Europe, oh yeah. You have seen it all.
Almost be a man. Both of them are very wrong. But who get the big wrong? Now more Bliss get
married woman, they toast married man. Now they clap and follow on. I'm not gonna see truth when I talk because I know you have to.
If man not
Europe married women, oh yeah. Comment section give me oh yeah. Comment someone give me oh yeah. Europe married women, oh yeah. Abomination.
If man not do error, we not see say man born for two women born for man, 3 women born for man. Man must be. I said there, so man can't trust me. Now my decision to show now. If I open it for the man go continue.
Don't worry
about that. Say my husband gets at your mom, please get 70 because now woman you be. So my husband even come for the beginning. No, maybe he needs a re or he want to play with you. Either my husband coming for you now re or he want to play with you. One of the two. The love you were crying.
Mommy, hey, aside you.
Consider the way my place they cry for home. I say my husband don't get well. Consider the way they cry.
Record you for everywhere, my sister. And I record you with the places
I cannot wait for you to hold my boots. I cannot wait to scream for you. Wait.
I cannot wait to hold you tight. Hey!
I cannot wait to scream. That is too much as a married woman you claim you are.
Oh, but TikTok too sweet.
That is too much.
I cannot wait to be with you. Wait to your husband.
My husband come to me talk. If my husband my sister, if you not talk those kinds of things, you not go green. You want to talk to me for take give her a poor. If my husband not talk those kinds of things, say go and tell your wife what you told me. If he not tell you, you not go open. A poo poo. You need to make you open a poo poo for him. So you need to be smart.
He said
sorry for men we be say so women be say man and woman go your corridor you carry that man enter house. You want use to take calm himself. Use you relax. Go back to your wife again.
But they see man we know they cheat for this life.
Relax himself again. Man tell you say my husband is wrong. Both of them are wrong. But who get the biggest wrong now? More Bliss. Because if they go in platform, what I take credit my husband say, if now what they kill me, I don't know how God take credit me. Now make my husband they call me wish. When this guy celebrate her birthday, the crowd was there and I was on my last screen. My husband, you know, see you don't date this girl and you were still forcing me to go and support your side chick. I don't understand. And I bless the God that used me that day when I not take go this girl. Platform go support her. My husband almost got angry. Say go support her. And you know say now go support her. God use me that day. Mama Nora, not leave what you they do, go that place. And I stay with her, not really go. You know fully well already dating this girl. You are still forcing me to go and support your side chick.
Oh, Mama Nora, you have suffered.
So go and support your side chick.
Oh, Mama Nora, you have suffered.
I'm not going to say my husband name now.
Go
see sweet name.
Yes, around there.
It says that
yes, they are around the Enogie well. So
this
never
name.
It shock me.
Na Jara, na moi Enogie play yesterday. If na hear record, una go use to one hold na head they cry. Na moi Enogie play yesterday. Moi.
Even me myself, I shocked.
What's the play yesterday? Nothing dead here. The organ of them or you do it. The organ of them or you do it Enogie. You don't use your mouth, they talk, you don't get anything. And you call, and Enogie can't thank you. Now you can't write you. Thank you. That one I know, man. Me see do yesterday when they support for my gift. But now you go the toasty first.
Married woman, they toast married man.
You they condemn your husband for it. You they condemn your husband for it. You they condemn your husband for it. My Zaddy come with the love. My Zaddy come the love. Zaddy come the love.
Your Zaddy say he dey for am.
Zaddy love.
Your Zaddy say he love am, please.
Zaddy love sote. Zaddy come with the jealous. Married woman they jealous. Married man they jealous. They call it jealous. They call it jealous.
What me I want to? This one I less. Any married woman.
Make her play rough, but you as a woman, you have to.
Any married woman, ma toast you. Let's assume, say na Enogie even toast you as a married woman. You're not even supposed to respond as a married woman.
Me, they toast me. I got one of them. The one boy toast me.
Because now your response, now go make that man continue to the toast you.
When we do party that day,
when we do party that day,
when I go do shopping,
no, wait. We need to hear this Zaddy well. Okay, Zaddy, I beg you. Get what I want to talk. I can't do am about this morning. More than not verse from you. You see those women where be say marriage don't tire. They not they enjoy their husband again. They one day inside marriage, use marriage take cover head. They cheat on their husband. And so disgrace go their town and body.
As men, if you are watching this live,
you know what marry for month may you get the name single mother. Yeah.
DNA should be request for all women.
100.
Yes, so.
100. Anybody not know mama Anora for this social media. Una say una no want let our Zaddy eki arrest ogodogbelu wa be social media na. Wa mi ye nora do. Hey, Zaddy take ba. Ye nora. Why am I na yi? Na wo uje de video mu be gani una le kia o wa go gbe do wo be.
Wa gu le ru le Zaddy.
La go gbe do amo e o ma jere video mu ya me agwa we be gani. We gbe do we obe agwa gbe amo na be ipo na le gbe wo e na wo wodo. Ni ya make na de Zaddy we because this is getting too much. No, really it's very bad. I don't know say that lady will fit do this kind of thing. I really shocked. I thought she was supporting. She just died.
Where the thief both have not there? Where the thief head? Gonna not there. Now when we know the thief again, I'm not gonna want bed. Where's that? When the thief head? Gonna not there. When the thief both have not there. Now when we know the thief again. Know the thief again.
Justice for Mama Nora. Comment section, give us justice for Mama Nora.
Justice for me.
Justice for Mama Nora. No, justice for Pastor Grace. Justice for Pastor Grace.
Now, good afternoon. Mama Lord, I want to ask one thing. Now, Daddy, I don't know. Zaddy, I be Daddy.
Zaddy, with the Z.
Ah bon?
Now Zaddy says Zaddy, I can't wait for you to hold my boob.
Jesus.
I can't wait for you to romance me.
I want to ask one question.
I can't wait to kiss you.
I can't wait
to scream for you.
Zaddy.
I can't wait to scream for you.
I wait my ask one question. Not ever see married woman we want go talk for us. We go talk say him wife too good. The wife too nice.
Thank you.
He was funny wife now.
Give me 5 minutes. The truth is that my husband don't fall in love. Because he said the guy they desperate. The desperation cause they make my husband they scared.
Okay.
Yeah, now what's it happen? My husband don't fall in love.
So women strong
for each other. So as my husband cause he said this girl too desperate. Which kind of desperation woman be this? My husband called a great scared. And then he called they go to different men. Married man now they jealous. Married woman now they jealous.
Wait, Mama Nora repeat regardez là-bas. You say married man they jealous, married woman they jealous.
Yes, now because Mama, because the Mama Papa Nora don't fall in love, my sister.
Papa Nora don't fall in love.
Papa Nora the best now make the girl no go they do something and the girl the best. You understand? So they come they jealous each other. You know they in love.
Are you serious?
I don't know if I want to explain this thing, but Zaddy fall in love.
Mama Nora jealous. We no.
When I talk and one now, you not be market.
Mama Nora,
One.
I don't wanna wait. The record when my husband play yesterday, when my husband called, they say, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. No, they read that I love you. The way my husband tell you all his strength. The way my husband tell you all his strength. You want drive play. My husband say, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
sorry, no, I don't know.
Wait. The way you cut the girl, tell me the girl send her sweet because children don't put my not some breed not get children. That is not get children around. That is picking there Nigeria.
They don't grow. They don't grow.
That is not. What are you saying? Say she they not there around with her. Why they not call me to talk children for my mouth? Now they call the children. She they not there around with her. So she's so free. Once me don't shut live there. Now my children don't put my brain. Me don't go like that. So my husband go say me love. I said the way my husband go to the go Chinese these days. My wife, no stress yourself, no cook again, no cook back come for now. I say I don't know. Say my husband will go play love for Chinese. The record
Mama
good afternoon. I love you, I love you, I love you. Me don't feel like I love you, I love you. My husband was jealous. You call they jealous. Now I made the quarrel, they call they jealous. The jealous come too much, and the kind of we can call the jealous again. Because I beg, if we go spoil me, spoil. Not time you want kill me. Now only you want, and you want kill me. If we go spoil me, spoil. After they don't love, they don't clap and for each other for WhatsApp. The girl can't even block me because you don't go deeply in love with my husband. You not come and make me call the support. I can't see finally get belly because record when me see, you see one plan to call ovulation. If you come for ovulation, you want get pregnant. You want get pregnant.
Mama Nora.
Mama Nora,
Mama Nora.
You know.
When I wait, me one person talk I beg in the fucking W shots.
I might talk sharp, may I go down my seat.
Mona wait, madam wait. I get why they talk. Mama Nora. Yeah, Nora.
You should not do
Mama
that.
Nora, you hear me?
I dey hear you.
Mama Nora, I beg. As this issue don't burst out now, everybody want to know what's happen. You get? I beg, not debunk everything. I just got beg you. Just debunk what only your husband play yesterday.
No, let me the boss so that they don't hear my husband. When my husband they say I love you, I love you, I love you.
Yes, exactly. So let your husband anytime when you feel like come talk, let her come talk. May not be saying now you want to talk everything. Let your husband debunk everything. I beg because many people want hear what happen. I see you dey live video now because you be wife. They want know everything. Let your husband come debunk am. And number 2 again, you see Ian and this woman Bliss. They're together. So
yes, they together.
People say
Let me come out today.
Yes, Ian they find what see what happen. Ian want talk something.
Make the come say the saga Ian.
Yes. Right now, Bliss not fit come aside. So now Ian na be the speaker. So Ian they find wetin you want do or you and your husband so that you can talk wetin you know. Because since when Ian not be a part this thing again. Now that time Ian they find wetin you want make a pass a garant.
Exactly.
Because a part they keep mute because Ian they find a part trouble. If you look this thing. If now they look what me say they look, you understand? I beg not debunk anything because I know say you self don't know what is up. You don't hear everything finish.
You don't know people we get sense. You don't know people we get sense. See, they here want put up on the eyes. They don't get one star guy everybody around there. You want star guy everybody. You know people we get with bad person.
They want make you no be bad person.
Exactly.
So now they know what they inside them. So Ian want come from you now. You they get. So Ian they find where people want to say garant. No just minor. No minor. And if Ian get anything where you hide, definitely that thing go come aside.
Yeah.
You get. If you like say Ian say if he might not the judge for some kind of things.
Yeah.
No be say he dey on that ground. So right now, he want confirm how he want to debunk you. Make it debunk you with your platform. Make you not find your trouble.
Exactly.
Don't leave her, ignore
I
her.
don't mention her name yesterday. I don't talk to her yesterday.
Yes, if they find wetin, they find how you want to enter all this whole saga. Make you your liver, more na your
Yeah, my
liver.
gift, one they put money down for my head. I deserve one, Joe.
You understand? So wetin I want people again, not debunk anything. Oh. Just talk only wetin your husband play yesterday. I get why I just go beg you because everybody want hear from you because now you be wife. Now that I want talk.
Yeah, you don't me go quarrel.
If you not like more like come saga me, I no dey fear anything.
Mommy Nora.
Hey, Una, good afternoon. I want to talk something. See, might tell Una one thing. Good afternoon, everyone. Mama Nora. See, might tell you one thing. This thing, when this thing they happen yesterday, when just they happen, I just the listen. I just the listing. Not be today we know Papa Nora for this social media. Now people, many people will be saying they don't know Papa Nora. Now that they feel say this matter, say Papa Nora, why you go do this, why you go do that one. For me, I don't be say for man. As man is concerned, man fit see any woman because that man not be Jesus Christ.
Exactly.
He get now for the woman, now get yes or no. As a married woman, man talk to you, what you supposed to do? You go say no. You go say you don't want. You know because of say you they give a lion, you they give her any gift, you just get to enter her body. Mama Nora, you know those days now. Mama Nora, you know
Everybody knows me not the cover. Everybody knows me not the cover up. When me tell my husband WhatsApp, now the girl start toasting. My husband always went to a DM to appreciate her for the gift. But like the girl now he start toasting. I saw it myself.
Mama Nora, might tell you one thing. You remember those days for Facebook when Mama Miami they throw away gift, they give Enogie gift anyhow. People they give her gift. Why they not come there? Come say they won't call the toast Enogie. Why? Why can't be saying that from this time now for this TikTok now? This woman now, you call herself say she be gifter. You know say this man a married man. You do finish now. You just they go there go they do nonsense. Now very sure she come out.
Mama Miami for Mama Miami.
Mama Miami, might tell you something.
Mama Miami.
Yeah, and all of us there now. You know, when we start to follow Enogie, that time before Enogie engage you, now we start to follow you. That time if you slim where Enogie they carry rasta. That time Enogie still they very young.
Yeah.
More than 5 years ago, I now start to follow now.
That make I say why they fed? I don't sit there. Why they take bosses? I don't sit there. Why they
Mama Nora.
I don't sit there. Why they take bosses?
This woman, the only way me know for inside there, this woman, she don't fall her hand. She don't fall her hand. And she come out today now, she dey talk. She don't get one thing. Everybody they tell her say, talk. She not fit talk. She not fit talk. She just dey beat around the bush. She not fit talk.
Now the truth, now they tell her.
I beg you.
I say, you know what you talk just now, my sister. Let me first talk. As far as say you know this person, a presenter, and they do live video with his wife, and they praise his wife every time. My wife, I love her. My wife, I do this. That kind of man will come to us. Me do realistically here, and they craze. You understand? So now your response go make that man continue.
Exactly.
So they talk to you.
That's true.
Now your response. As I be now, I be married woman. You understand? So sometimes I dey go bar sometimes with my friends. Say go enjoy. Me not agree. Me must dance with me. You understand? I dey dance on my own. I know they agree. So you just say maybe I know they see toasters. I dey see. Now my response go make that toaster continue to dey toast me.
Exactly.
You understand? So I'm a Bliss, my sister. You fuck up. Now let your friend go fit tell you say this thing, even though say the rest, but that because of gifts. Forget that thing. Now because of say they give the lion, they give the stop so they give the lion now. That truth they don't fair tell you, they can't tell you now. Now your friend will tell you say, what do you do? So you fuck up. Even though say now I know you fair toast you. You're not even supposed to respond because you know your wife. And I present you the same on social media all the time.
Lady Jane,
You know your wife.
okay. Good morning, Abi. Good afternoon, my sister. May I greet you?
You know your
Now,
wife.
Wanna give me now? Wanna give
ask
me?
one question. Lady
Wanna
J,
give
good
me
afternoon, my
rose,
sister.
rose,
Lady
rose.
You know
J,
your
my
wife.
question
So
is clear for this
now
lady.
make you even support
Lion.
Lady J, wait. My question for this lady: why she go dey Ozma house if the marriage is not working? Why she not just come out? Because she still dey address herself this morning as a married woman. I don't understand what dey happen. How you will dey Ozma house still dey preach love to another man?
Thank you.
Can
thank
she
you.
just make us understand that part?
Only better.
You understand? Abi they don't allow women they marry two husbands now, or you allowed to get one husband, one side man for outside. Me not get the point. Because this morning when she was on live, I come across a live video and I still see her saying that as a married woman, my husband asked me to come and do this live video. Saying her husband, I give her that permission to come and do that live video that morning. I don't understand. And you get a lot where you don't already talk. My dear sister, I am not judging you, but what you said or what you do, you deserve to be judged, honestly. That one no capping. You deserve to be judged with your voice record already. Somebody no need to get your new picture. Only wait till don't come out for your love. Where they preach that love to another man, we get wife for us. That one already is bad.
Okay, voice mommy JJ.
My voice changed.